Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I want us to look at how you can be able to create a virtual desktop in your computer or your laptop. So what you do is you press these two buttons. So you have the window logo key together with the tab key. And then once you do that on your computer, you'll be able to see that you have desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3. So for example, you can create even another desktop. And then when you open this one, you'll find that the file that you had opened in desktop 1 are not available. So if you go back and then you open desktop 1, you'll find that there are some programs that I was using that are already opened. But if you come to the desktop 2, it has no program opened. If you come to desktop 3, it has no open program. And this is one way that you can be able to hide what you are doing from others. So if someone comes behind you and you want to see what you are doing, you can just press window logo key together with tab, and then with that you'll be able to open any other desktop that you are not using. And you can leave your computer with someone else, you'll not be able to see what you are using without changing the account that you are using or without closing the program or the work that you are doing. So that is all for today. Remember to follow for more tips. Also comment, like, share, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video from the TikTok, go to my bio and then click where you have the YouTube and then go to my YouTube and subscribe. If you are watching it on YouTube, I'm going to give a link of my TikTok account. You can just go there and subscribe and follow for more tips. Thank you for your time.